So tomorrow, pupunta kami sa school ni Summer. Kasi parang interview yon ng parents saka yung teacher. Sasabihin yung progress ni Summer. Saka yung mga behavior niya. Halika dito, Summer. What do you think the teacher will tell?
Come clean already so that we will not be shocked tomorrow.
You tell us the truth. What do you think the teacher will say tomorrow?
Summer is so energetic and she doesn't talk back, she doesn't shout, but there's two mistakes.
What are the... Ayun. Na-deads na. What are the mistakes ba? So, tell me. First mistake, yung less painful, yung hindi super sakit. O, ano yung first?
I tell the answer without I told the answer without raising my hand.
Okay. What's the last one?
I'm talking with my friends while teacher's talking.
Deads. Deads ka na, girl. Sige, update namin kayo bukas.
I can forgive that Summer, ha? But next time you,
You listen na.
You don't interrupt the class with, ha?
Like sugar
You
on
just
my
wait for your
tongue.
turn. Just wait for your turn. You understand?
She's not really mad.
She's not really...
Me?
Okay, let's see
Ano naman?
tomorrow. Paano mad? Mad yan, katakot. Let's see tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good luck. Oh, isa pa daw mad.
Ay, kalapating ko.
Grabe, pangit ng mukha mo.
Uy, grabe, hindi.
Grabe, tingnan mo ulit, ha? Edit mo, ha?
Sige.